He- Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome to the channel GK Key for Exam. Let's begin today's GK questions. The first question, which is, when is the World Doctors Day is celebrated? And the options are A. 1st June, B. 1st July, C. 1st August, and D. 1st September. And the answer for this question is B. 1st July. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, who is the Chief Minister of Manipur? And the options are A. Conrad Sangma, B. P.A. Sangma, C. Pema Khandu, or D. N. Biren Singh. And the answer for this question is D. N. Biren Singh. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, who was known as Lion of Punjab? And the options are A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B. Lala Lajpat Rai, C. Bipin Chandra Pal, or D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And the answer for this question is B. Lala Lajpat Rai. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, where is the Marine National Park situated? And the options are A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Madhya Pradesh, or D. Rajasthan. And the answer for this question is B. Gujarat. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, in which layer of the atmosphere does the airplane fly? And the options are A. Troposphere, B. Stratosphere, C. Mesosphere, or D. Thermosphere. And the answer for this question is B. Stratosphere. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, which one is the best flowing river among them? And the options are A. Narmada, B. Krishna, C. Kaveri, or D. Godavari. And the answer for this question is A. Narmada. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, how many scheduled languages are there in India? And the options are A. 6, B. 8, C. 10, or D. 22. And the answer for this question is D. 22. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, who is the chairperson of 15th Finance Commission? And the options are A. N.K. Singh, B. Rituraj Avasti, C. Rekha Sharma, D. Girish Chandra Murmu. And the answer for this question is A. N.K. Singh. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, which one is the longest river of the world? And the options are A. Amazon River, B. Yangtze River, C. Thames River, or D. Nile River. And the answer for this question is D. Nile River. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, what is the largest gland of the human body? And the options are A. Heart, B. Lungs, C. Liver, or D. Kidney. And the answer for this question is C. Liver. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, what is the scientific name of vitamin A? And the options are thiamine, B. riboflavin, C. calciferol, or D. retinol. And the answer for this question is D. retinol. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, what is known as the powerhouse of the cells? And the options are A. mitochondria, B. blood, C. heart, or D. brain. And the answer for this question is A. mitochondria. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, who was the first Satyagrahi in the non-cooperation movement? And the options are A. Vinoba Bhave, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Brahma Dutt, or D. Rajendra Prasad. And the answer for this question is A. Vinoba Bhave. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, what is the literacy rate of India? And the options are A. 72.23%, B. 73.25%, C. 74.04%, or D. 75.10%. And the answer for this question is C. 74.04%. Let's move to the next question. The next and the last question for today's video is, who was the 10th Prime Minister of India? And the options are A. L.K. Advani, B. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, C. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, or D. K.R. Narayan. And the answer for this question is B. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So this was the answer for the last question. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.